Hey guys, what's up? Coattail Trader here from coattailtrader.com. It's been a while since I made any videos. Haven't actually traded in a while, been pretty busy. But I wanted to show you a trade I took this morning, which is really the only one I've had for the day so far. Market's been really slow the last couple days after the opens. So waited, and you can see my focus area, or I guess my zone that I'm looking to trade. My levels are in this blue shaded area. I found that just making it shaded like that just helps me get a better visual on when I'm ready to take action. So we can see, got my signal here right at about 6:43. Took it, got in at 42.75, as you can see from the sell right here. Went short. My stop was actually 44.75, and of course, as oftentimes does, markets when we have big down moves like this, markets tend to try to jump back up to force keep the sellers at bay. So that's exactly what happened here. Price went up, saw it come down here, generated another signal, so I figured I was going to be good there. It came down right to it gave me one tick of profit, but I didn't get out. I wait for my targets to be hit. A lot of problems with some traders is that they will let their stops always get hit, but they never let their targets get hit. When they get nervous, they get into one tick of profit and they get right out. So my philosophy is, if I'm going to sit here and let my stop loss get hit every time, I may as well sit here and let my profit target get hit every time. My odds of winning overall are better. So price came back down here, saw it come up here, figured I was getting ready to close out the trade when it hit up here, because my stop was 44.75, and you can see that 44.50 was actually a nice resistance level. Could not get to my stop. It tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to break through 44.50. My stop was one tick up right here, so I stayed in the trade by one tick. And then, as you can see, I got another signal, and eventually, usually when this happens, when the price can't get back higher, usually you do have these big moves, and that's exactly what happened. I saw it come down. It came down to my entry. I was watching it bounce back up around here. It closed, and then when this one opened, boom, it went right down, took me out. Before I was actually considering moving my profit down to get some more profit, but it happened too quickly. By the time this candle opened, it immediately shot right down and took me out with a 1 point. So I took a 1 point profit on that one, and price meandered down a little bit more, and then after that really hasn't done much. You can see it came back up. This is kind of a signal right here, but if you had taken this one, you'd probably still be 43. Your stop would be around here, so you're still in this trade. Don't really know if it's going to work out. I didn't take it, again, because I saw that price was the market has just been very slow lately. After the market opens and it does its thing, and then it starts after about a half an hour or so, it just kind of meanders and doesn't really do much. So I took that as a signal for the day and just stopped. Couple different signals you could have taken in here for a profit. Not this one, I don't believe. No, this one, no. This is a signal right here that you would have been able to get a nice one ticker off of. Here's a signal right here, which I believe may have been a loss. Let's see. Yep, you would have gotten taken out right here, and then but looks like so this signal didn't work. This one's still in play right now, but of course, if you took this one, you would have been out up here, so you'd be waiting for the new signal here. But if you're just taking off of the ones that I do, this would have been your first signal here that you're still in, and your target would have been probably about right here. So that's pretty much it for the day. Just wanted to talk about that, and since I hadn't made a video in a while, I wanted to put a new video. Any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Visit my website, coattailtrader.com. Follow me on Facebook. There's links for that at the bottom of each one of these pages, and follow me on Twitter. Thanks, guys. Good trading.